Next, I'll be showing you how to solve the ALEKS problem, rank basicity. So what ALEKS is going to do is it's going to show us either three ions or compounds, and it wants us to rank them from least basic to the most basic. I have some simple rules when I solve this question. Those elements towards the top and the left tend to be more basic, and I have my arrows here just in case y'all need help kind of picturing that with the periodic table. And then double bonds are less basic, and then neutrally charged atoms tend to be less basic. So we'll start with the one up top here. So we have pretty much a methyl and a oxygen right here. We have bromine right here, and we have CH3C along with two oxygens attached on. And so we see that they all have pretty much a negative charge. So we can kind of scratch that off the list. But we see that we have a Br, which tends to be down, or it's going to be in that less basic category because of where it's at on the periodic table. So it's safe to say that of those three, that Br so far is going to be the least basic. Next, we have two carbon compounds. So next we have to identify which one is going to be the least basic out of these two. And so the next rule, I want you to focus on bonds. So with this methyl and oxygen, it's only going to be single bonds if you wish to draw this compound out. So I can just draw this here. And then with the CH3, along with this carbon, with the two oxygen, we know that at least with one of these oxygens is going to be double bonded to that carbon. And I've already have quantity bonds here for that one. So because of that, and because of the rules that we have here, that means that this carbon right here is going to be less basic. So I'll just put C right here, and I'll kind of X out where I put this Br, and I'll just put B. So it'll be B followed by C, and then the most basic in this one is going to be this methyl / oxygen group right here. So going right at A, because we're saying that it's the most basic. And I'll do one more with this three compounds down here to the right, and I'll do this fairly quickly. We see that we got two oxygens, and we know that because they're further right of where the carbon is, that this is going to be kind of my first two, or my least basic ones. So I identify, I see a double bond right here between these two oxygens. So it's safe to say I'm just going to put A right here. And then because of that, this oxygen here has a single bond. So it's pretty much good to say B. And then because carbon, which is further left, is going to be the more basic, even though it has like a triple bond and whatnot, it doesn't matter because again, the element is further left on the periodic table. So again, fairly simple question. Just take some practice, refresh yourself up on basicity, and you'll be fine. Again, if this channel helped you or your classmates, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.